What's up guys, my name is Matthews Farias. I am the CEO and founder of Elite's Trading Club. Let's just get straight into this crude oil trade review. Zooming out of my chart, you guys know how much I love zooming out. If you know me, if you've taken my class, you know how much I love zooming out. We have a demand zone here, our little demand zone here. There's a reason that this is a demand zone. I can fine tune it by going up in time frame. Let's see, there you go. Demand zone fine tune on the daily there. Go down to the 2 hour again. Boom, we dipped into demand. So here's what happened. Funny thing about this trade is my student took the opposite direction of the trade and got stopped out, which is fine because it was a learning experience for him. So let's pop it in. Let's go down to the 3 minute because that's all that matters here. All right. So here's what happened, guys. 3 minute chart. We pulled into daily demand. What did we see here? What was a sign for me? Supply was broken right there. And what else happened? Another supply zone was broken. That is a clear bullish sign. Supply is starting to break, buyers are starting to step in. What happened? Demand was then established right here. You could have taken that demand zone. I did not. I was just not ready for it. Demand was established right here. I'll even mark it out. We pulled back into it. My student, he had gone short at this supply zone up here. So he had caught a good entry at the top. Came down, went around 2 to 1, stopped him out break even. And then I explained to him why he shouldn't have been long. We're in daily demand. 2 supply zones were taken out. Huge sign that bulls are obviously taking over. What did I do then? Well, I waited. Price then shot through this supply zone. This supply zone here, irrelevant. Not a good supply zone. We had room to run till where? The next higher time frame zone, which was around this area. My target was 45. So let me mark that out for you. So 45 there. This was my TP right there. And let me put it TP, which ultimately we went higher, but I'm not here to guess if we're going to run through supply or not. I could have played this, you know, for the rest of the day, but I'm here for a good trade and I want to leave. So let's continue here. Zoom in. We then came down, tested supply, broke through supply, formed another demand zone here showing buyers are strong, formed this other demand zone. It didn't hit my entry. We then formed one more demand zone. I know I'm saying demand zone a lot. Right here, which is where I got entry, limit order. This blue candle right here filled me. 77.95. I'm in long. Right there. Stop was a couple ticks below the low. Where was my TP? All the way up here. Let the trade run. 4.5 to 1. I didn't have any other type of partials anywhere. It was straight to the target, riding the momentum. The clues were shown here. The clue was shown here. This was a no-brainer long. Most people would have seen this as the downtrend is still in play, but you need to be able to identify the shift. Something big happened here, which I'm not going to tell you guys. Right here. Something big happened here. And the area that it happened in is the key to this trade. Something big happened here and those 2 supply zones got taken out. Demand was tested and held. Another higher time frame demand was created. Right here we had no quality supply until up here, which I'm even going to make red real quick just so it doesn't look confusing. And we had great risk to reward. This is a no-brainer trade right here. Ride the momentum. Got in. This blue candle filled me at 77.95. Stop was at 77.84. Price ran up, pulled back, sat sideways for a little bit, and then ran up, finally hitting TP for 4.5 to 1. Trading can be simple, but there's these clues that we need to catch on to really tells us everything. Remember, time frames are irrelevant. Time frames are irrelevant. I'm on a 1 minute chart. People hate the 1 minute chart. I love it because that gets me into the trade as soon as possible, and I want that. Thank you guys for watching. This was Trade Review on Crude Oil. More to come. Follow us at Elite's Trading Club on Instagram. Follow my personal at Matthews Farias with 2 S's. I'll tag everything below. Thank you once again. Peace.